Okay, it's Tuesday, November 8th, 2022. Tuesday, I guess. We got Sufficient cleaned up, except I still have to do the water line on this side. I'll show you the bottom of the boat and the water line on this side. But I wanted to start here because I wanted to show you that the bottom paint is well below the water line. This is the boot stripe. That water line paint should go up to here. So let's look at the bottom and then we'll look at the top. I used some hole cleaner to clean up the hole. Hole cleaner spray to make that nice and white. The bottom paint comes above the water here. It does not come above the water in the back. Still have to do this side. You can see, even after I scrub that off, that's still nice and brown. I'm going to try and make it look like that side.